Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party with your Android phone using NFC. So firstly, make sure that you enable NFC on your phone. I have stock Android, so I'm not going to use control panel. There's no NFC at the control panel. But if you have another Android phone, open control panel and you may have NFC right here. So make sure that you enable it, but I need to go to the settings, then to connected devices and to connection preferences. So right here I have NFC and I need to enable this mode. Then you need to turn on your speaker and enter to pairing mode. So at the top, at the left side right here, we have power button, press and hold it to turn on your speaker. Then, if your speaker do not connect it with another device, speaker enter to pairing mode automatically. But we can also enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side, we have a Bluetooth button. And you need to single press at the Bluetooth button, you will hear the prompt and these LED lights start blinking white, meaning that you're in the pairing mode. So let's do this, here we go. And after that, you need to take your phone close to the NFC icon. So on the front side, right here on the left side, we have NFC icon. And let it put closely here. And now, as you can see, it asks me, do I want to pair this speaker? Yes, I want, so I click yes. And I just did it, so let's check. If you go to the settings and to the Bluetooth, right here we have the speaker, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!